fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox some cute things that I found from the folks over at DIYChoose. I'm just going to jump in, and we're going to start looking at all of these cute little things. Okay, first up, we have this cute little kit. Ooh, the canvas is a little stiffer than I would like, but it's fairly small. Ooh, and it comes in baggies, so those of you who like baggies, it's already ready to go. All right, standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. And what we have is this adorable unicorn. How cute is this? And it's not all white background, so that makes it a win-win. All right, it is a 30 by 30. It is nice and sticky, as you can see. The background is like this light blue color, and then we've got white clouds. They do have the eye symbol for the white, which I appreciate, but it's just this really cute sleeping unicorn sleeping on a cloud. 24 colors, which is way more than I would have expected. We do have a schematic on both sides with DMC codes, so that's good. And it's 30 by 30, so let's measure and see. It is like a millimeter under 25 by 24.5, so roughly 25 by 25. And I'm looking at this to see if I see any symbols that are going to give me any issues. We've got D's and O's next to each other, but the O's are in black ink and the D's are in white ink, so that is also a win. That makes them so much easier to tell apart. Everything else looks like it's good. I don't see anything that looks like it would give me any issues. So let's get into the drills. All right, here we go with our 24 drills. We get kind of a sage green, ooh, a baby pink, kind of a caramel color. That's all the white that is in this. I love that. And then we've got two shades of brown, a brown and then a lighter brown. We've got kind of a very pale, like off-white, very pale peach. We've got a mauve. We've got a brown. We've got, ooh, is this the background color? Yes. So it's actually a gray. It looks blue on the coloring here. I guess maybe that could be a blue, like a bluish gray. So there's the background color. And then we've got a very dark blue, kind of a golden yellow, a brown, a very dark, it's almost like a dark brown, dark greenish brown. It's got some green tones to it. We've got a bright yellow, a slightly less bright yellow. There's some off-white, some light gray, a caramel color, light gray, a gray, another light gray. Ooh, that's all the black that's in this one, folks. And then some more pink. So there is our sleeping unicorn, and this one was $4.19. Okay, I'm going to put these drills back in the bag, and then I will be right back with the next one. All right, this next one is a partial, but it was super cute and I couldn't resist. Ooh, this one, the canvas is much softer than the first one. Much easier to roll up like that. All right, so standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. It is, as I said, a special drill kit. Ooh, those are pretty. So we'll look at those in a minute. This one is these very pretty swans. I saw this one and I just couldn't resist it. I love swans. I've been looking for one. It's nice and sticky. Been looking for one with swans to kind of do and just haven't found one that kind of I really liked. So I saw this one and I thought, yes. All right, so this is a 30 by 30 as well. It is a partial and it is 25, I'm gonna guess by 25. Yes, 25 by 25. It only has 7 different drills, but we do have a schematic on both sides, and we do actually have the crystal codes, plus the codes for the special drills, so that's fun. All right, let me get into the drills. Okay, so for our rhinestones, we have some clear. We've got some kind of old gold, maybe pale orange. We've got some very dark purple. It's like a berry purple. That's very pretty. A green, a red, and then we've got our two special drills, our red marquee shaped, and then we've got these very large pink hearts. So the pink hearts are going to go here on the banner and up here, and then our marquee shapes are these number 6s, and then everything else. That dark purple for this one is super pretty though. I don't know if you can really see, but yeah, very pretty. So yeah, and this one won't take very long at all. And this one was $4.79. All right, let me put these drills away and then I'll get to the last kit. All right, and then our last kit is so cute. Oh, another very, very thin canvas, which makes it easy to roll up. Love these. This one is so cute. All right, standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. Oh, interesting. So we've got the 200 drill bags, which are not my favorite. Then we've got this one large Ziploc baggie in there. That must be the background color, I'm assuming. But look at all these pretty rainbow colors, because look at these little cuties. We've got these two little, they're not unicorns because they have wings. So they have the wings, they're a Pegasus. With a horn, they're a unicorn. So I don't know what that makes them, a Pegacorn? Is that what they're called? I don't know what they're called, but they're super cute. And this pretty rainbow behind them. So it looks like that kind of mint green is going to be, or baby blue is going to be our background color, but it is still the eye symbol, so love that. 20 colors, which was way more than I would have thought for something this size. This is only a 30 by 30. It is nice and sticky. Looking here to see if I see anything that symbol-wise looks like it's going to give me any issues. Nope, the C's and D's are not really next to each other, and they're different colors of ink. And so you're going to get some nice multi-placing in the rainbow, and then there is a bit of confetti in the mains and everything. But I just thought these were super cute. All right, let me open the drills. All right, so we've got all kinds of rainbow colors for the drills. We've got like a slate blue. We've got like a peachy coral. We've got a light gray. We've got a purple, a mauve, a green. We've got kind of a light blue, a very light lavender, a very pale yellow, a bright yellow. There's a dark pink, and then we've got two different shades of green. It's like a spring green and then a bit darker spring green. We've got this big bag of like very, very pale baby blue, which is the background color. We've got a kind of very like a pale milk mocha color, a baby pink, a watermelon pink, a baby blue, and then kind of a spring green. So, oh, and this one, which is just a dark gray. So lots of fun colors in this one. Like I said, I thought the rainbow was super cute. So let me get these drills back in the bag and I'll be right back. Oh, and I forgot to mention this one is $3.79. So just to recap, we've got our cute little rainbow unicorns here. We've got our adorable swans with the special drills. And then we have our very sweet sleeping unicorn here. And as always, I will put links in the description box down below to all of these, so you can check all of these out or anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.